Prophet ﷺ said that khairukum, the best among you, meaning the best of the believers, is who? What do you think? Khairukum, the best of you. He said, man ta'allama al-qur'ana wa allamahu. The person who learns the Qur'an and teaches it. They learn the Qur'an, they benefit themselves, and then they don't keep that knowledge limited to themselves. Rather, they pass it on, they share it with others, because the Qur'an helped them. The Qur'an brought them out of darkness into light, and it continues to bring them out of darkness into light. So they cannot keep this treasure with themselves only. They share it with others. So khairukum man ta'allama al-qur'ana wa 'allamahu. The best of you are those who learn the Qur'an and teach it. The Prophet ﷺ said that by Allah, if Allah guides even one person through you, even one person through you, then that is better for you than humrun na'im, than red camels of the highest breed. You might be wondering, why camels? Camels were a sign of wealth. Camels were a sign of affluence, of ease in life. So I want you to think about this, that if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guides even one person through you, that is better for you than the riches of this world.